Hi, this is Sparkly here. Welcome to another video. Today, we are going to play with my dog, Alfie. Where's the light switch? There it is. Hi, boy. You wanna play? Come on. Up. Good boy. You're a good boy. Toy. Okay. This is what I love about Alfie. He loves people. He's playful. He always wants to play. He is so full of energy. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Come on. Alfie, come on. Oh, you want to go outside. That's what you want. Come on. Your toy. Your toy. Your toy. Okay, boy. I'll let you outside. Good boy. You drinking your water. Oh, you're very thirsty. Okay. Anyway, if you want to come in, bark like you always do. He's a clever dog. He always barks when you want to come in, barks when he wants to go outside, and barks when he's hungry. Anyway, hope you like this video of my dog, and I will see you later. Bye!